What happens if I don't get the GCSEs I was expecting?
So we'd still encourage you to get in touch with our admissions team. We consider each application individually and we can chat with you about your options. We also have support available for you to retake your English and Maths GCSEs alongside your pre-degree course. What if I can't provide all the documentation you require to support my application? So these are unusual times. If you need extra time to gather information and evidence, get in touch with our admissions team and we'll be able to help you through your options.
Do I need to have a portfolio of work available to show at my interview?
So the answer is no, but it does help us find the best course for you and also help you reach your creative potential. A portfolio could be anything from a workbook, a film you've made, a piece of creative writing, or even an Instagram account that you have for your artistic work. Can I visit the campus? So the answer is yes, and actually we really encourage you to as well. So have a look online for our open day dates, and if you can't make them, don't worry. Get in touch and we can organise a personal bespoke tour for you. I'm not sure what I want to study. How can I figure out which course is best for me? So we've got loads of information about our courses on our website and on our social media channels, but also we can put you in touch with our lecturers who know our courses best and will be able to point you towards the right one.